I'm at the cafeteria bar right now and it's basically eat. Just sit. Charge your phone over here. Let's get to a view. So over here is a vending machine. You can see they got some espresso, cappuccino, latte, hot tea. And on this side, we got some drinks. We got some little snacks. There's cookies or peanuts. Got some biscuits, a croissant. Over here. I guess it must be good because most of these are empty. So maybe everybody bought them all. There's the cookies over here. You got the water bottle. And they do take tap to pay. They take Google Pay and Apple Pay or cash. I'm gonna try to get me some coffee.